Let's check out the neighborhood some more. We're about to walk new construction. What's this one called?
This one is the Delray floor plan. 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 2049 square feet.
I like this porch area.
Yeah, super cute. Gotta love the rocking chairs on the front porch.
I'm so Savannah though. I love how wide this hallway is.
Yeah. Nice wide hallway. You've got the cased opening to your 2 secondary bedrooms with the bathroom in between. You have a coat closet and then a linen closet on the other side.
True construction. How tall are your ceilings?
9-foot ceilings in this one. This is the DR Horton Tier 2 neighborhood. So you are going to have the nicer trim, the nicer finish out. You've got the crown in the common areas.
Is this to the garage, right?
The garage. Mm-hmm.
And you can fit 2 cars in here.
Yes, you absolutely can. You have your hot water heater is kind of off up in that little nook. So it doesn't impede in your...
Is it gas or
space.
electric?
No, it's electric. It's all electric in here. You have another secondary bedroom and then your laundry there.
Laundry.
And then a little further.
How long till this one is ready? I see water. You're gonna lose me.
Yes, beautiful. This one can be finished in December. This one is pretty dang close to being done.
I love this. You're gonna lose me. I'm gonna go relax.
This one does back up to that retention pond. It's a beautiful view. As you can see,
Where's the green space? Nobody's gonna build?
that is green space nobody's going to build. Yep.
Green space. You get to
So
relax.
This is what it's going to look like. You can put your fence, you can taper down, just like you see over here, to the 4-foot black aluminum. If you want to put a gate on that 4-foot black aluminum, you're more than welcome to. As you can see with that house there, they have screened their back porch. You can do that in this community as well.
I highly recommend that. I live on my back porch.
Mm-hmm.
I spend a lot of time relaxing,
Mm-hmm.
enjoying my backyard. You know, Florida, a lot of living is actually done outside.
Absolutely.
Our weather here is just amazing year round.
Really spacious primary bedroom.
Oh my gosh, I feel like we can put like one of those movie star double king beds in here.
Yes, you actually can. Yeah, when we stage it, we normally stage it with a king size bed, 2 massive bedside tables over on either side. They normally put a chair over here and a huge dresser.
Yeah, so you gotta have the laundry catch-all chair.
Mm-hmm. You have his closet and her closet. That would be hers.
Yes, no sharing.
Mm-hmm. This would be his.
I'm glad mine is bigger. Shoes, dresses,
Right?
multiple purses. This is huge.
Yeah, you've got the real nice double vanity with the drawers in between. You've got the tile shower all the way up. In this one, it is the framed shower door. And then a water closet.
How many of this particular floor plan do you have left?
I have 5 of these left.
No townhomes, right? They're all ranches.
So on this street, you do have all single family. There are a couple of the 2 stories, but we're sold out of the 2 stories. On the other street, it is a mix of townhomes and single family, but you're on 2 different streets.